Friends, this UAP, drone, ET, UFO, whatever you want to call it, is only getting crazier. First, I want you to see this USO. Um, Maybe it's one of the ones that are coming out of the water and flying over these sensitive areas. Okay, no, it's not. It's about to re-come up again. That was just here it is. Okay, and then I want to show you possibly aliens that were found after this incident. Not this particular incident, but after the two that we know of. So far, there are two crashes of these so called drones, one off the coast of New Jersey in Pine Barrens, and another one that I will be covering tomorrow. It's actually covered on Third Phase of Moon, and I was on Third Phase of Moon's episode last night. Now, look at this. Things do not travel this fast underwater. No wonder why the guy is filming this. I do not think this is a whale, a creature. It probably is a USO. And I don't know. I believe it was actually going above the water. You see, it's going above the water and then it's going right back in. Now, let's get to the aliens that are allegedly found in this crash and retrieval, and I am dying to see what you guys think about these. Is this the one? Nope, this is it. Okay. No. Let's make sure. No. Sorry, that's not it either. Hold on. 1 second, folks. I'm doing this in live time, live for you. It is this one. This is it. Look at these suckers. So the guy on the bottom is dead. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Guys and gals. Now, again, for you contactees and abductees, did you ever see anything like this? So, as we're recovering these drones, are we finding dead aliens with living ones? Is this some of the drones that we're capturing? Now, I'm about to show you some new footage of these fleets that are all over the world. They are in Ecuador. They are in the United States all over. They are also in Russia, China, the United Kingdom. It is not ending at all. So, what do you think is going on, folks? Now, check this one out. This is crazy good. Now, obviously, this is not bugs. You know, these are very far from this camera. Just look at how many of them there are. And you're telling me these helicopters that are coming in are basically doing nothing? This was just recorded the other night. I just want to tell you that. I mean, literally, this is brand new footage. And I have a lot more to show you, but we're going to end it very short today because I noticed if they're very long videos, I am not going to, less of you watch them. But I have a really good collection of all these UAP videos from different angles, from different states and countries, all of them going back as early as like November 4th, literally up until a couple days ago, December 8th. And if you guys say so in the comments, I will make sure I get that to you ASAP. I am doing my best. I was actually gone for a couple days because my computers are no longer available, and I had to use something that I don't normally use. By the way, most of you are not subscribed to my channel. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like, share this with somebody, and I love the comments. You guys are telling me your experiences. You're telling me what you think of the footage. And you're also telling me what you want me to do. Do you want me to do more podcasts? I have a cache of old interviews I could still upload for you. And also, a lot of you ask, where are the interviews? They're not under the video section, folks. They're under the live section. Or check the different playlists One of them is titled Long Form Interviews, and unfortunately, it doesn't have all of them in there, but I will move them all there over time because they're all broken up into different subsections. So check it out there. And by the way, if you want to support me, please skip Starbucks for a day. If you could drop $5, $10, $20, whatever, into super thanks, I would greatly appreciate it. I will also relaunch the Patreon, start $1 a month for just the first support. And then for more exclusive stuff, I will offer incentives. Same thing for the membership. So look at that large one coming from the bottom right. I mean, all these different things seem to be intelligently controlled and under their own control. It's not like they're a hive mentality. I don't gather that from these. Anyway, that will be it for tonight, folks. I would like to know which of you have seen any of these live. What do you think of that crash and retrieval aliens? Are they from this recent crash in New Jersey or the second crash that Third Phase of Moon just covered the other night that I will give you details on tomorrow? So, with that being said, keep your eyes in the sky. Remember, if you capture something amazing, please contact me and I will catch you on the flip side.